Hey guys, Rob Lowe here. So last week I told you I was going to try on the new wheels that I bought. So today I'm going to put the front wheels on the truck and show you how the front wheels look. Before we get started, I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, please check out my other videos. Hit that bell, get notifications. I try to put out a video every week. So all this week I've been pretty busy. Last week I showed y'all that I cut the tree in my backyard. Well, I've been doing a lot of spring cleaning around the house and I didn't get to put out a video last week because I worked on the front yard, and I'll show y'all a clip of that, what I got done. So today, like I said, I'm gonna put the front wheels on the truck and show y'all a little preview of how the truck's gonna look with the new billet wheels. So last week on my video, I told y'all that I was working all week polishing the wheels, and I went ahead and gave in. I found a place here by my house called Aztecas Wheels, and they went ahead and polished the wheels for me, and they gave me a pretty good price, which was $50 per wheel, which is a very good deal considering that they don't take account the size of the wheel and they polish inside and out. I only got the back wheels polished for right now because this week I was going to put the front wheels on the video. So this is just a little preview of how the front wheel is going to look compared to the back wheels. You can see these are a little hazy, and the clarity in these are much different. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out to change the wheel on the tire. So I'm gonna pull the jack out, pull the wheel out, show you how it looks. Alright, so I got the tire off now. As you can see, I usually like to clean up in here when I take the tire off, or anytime I usually take parts off the truck. I usually try to clean what's behind it. Since I'm kind of pressed for time today, I'm not going to clean it, but usually I'll go in here with like my little detail brush and clean all these parts up. If you already checked out my video, my 5.7 drop on 24s, these are the custom control arms that were made for the truck that allow me to have the 5.7 drop and the shorter spring and the spindle. So there's a shot of that spindle, trying to get a better view of it so y'all can see it. But those are the three parts that allow me to have the 5-inch drop in the front. So if you haven't already seen that video, go check it out, see how a 5.7 drop on 24s looks. As you can see, the rotors are drilled and slotted. I got these from Stop Tech. They were a direct bolt-on from Stop Tech. I didn't have to grind anything down or cut anything for these to be placed on. They look pretty good. As far as stopping wise, I mean, they handle just as good as OEM, and they give the truck a sportier look. So if you're looking or interested in getting some of these, they ran me about, I think, $140 for the truck. And I do plan on painting the calipers silver here in the meantime. They're just going to stay the factory color, but sometime soon I do want to get these painted silver. So the guy that I bought the rims from, he gave me these lug nuts. I didn't have any lug nuts, but I told him that I just wanted to have some lug nuts so that I can test fit one of the wheels. So he had these. He ordered them through Amazon. They're spiked lug nuts. I don't know what brand they are. I know there's like a True Spike. I don't think these are True Spike, but they look pretty cool. I think for the setup that I'm going to go with, I'm just going to use a regular lug nut. But y'all can let me know in the comments what y'all think. And if you're wondering why I'm hand tightening these, it's because these have a special socket to tighten them, and the guy didn't give me the special socket, so I'm just gonna hand tighten these. Like I said, I'm just test fitting them, so I'm not really worried about them being tight right now. I'm not gonna drive it with these wheels. Well, the wheel's on now. Tire's kind of flat. I guess that happened when they polished the wheels. I had them rebalance them, so I think they took out the air stem, didn't put air back in it, but it's all good. And these front wheels are 24 by 9 with a 275 35 24 tire. It's the same exact size that I was already running on the other stock replica wheels. But with the new wheel setup, the truck should look pretty sick. Hopefully in the future I can go a little bit lower. Next year I plan to bag it, but for right now I'm just going to keep it at a 5.7. And just for the video, I mean, I can't put the wheels on because they don't fit, but this is just a comparison of how the rear wheel is going to look to the front. The 26 by 10 reverse lip. If you can just use your imagination a little bit, you can see with me how the rear wheel is going to look on this truck with the front wheels. I also ordered this grill badge for my truck. I know at one time there was a lot of guys putting these on their trucks, but I hadn't seen nobody with the Texas one. A guy that I follow on Instagram has a BMW, and in his BMW logo he has the Texas flag, so I thought it looked pretty cool, so I thought I'd get it for my truck. It was something a little different. It just has these little holes on the back that you have these two little pieces of all thread that screw in, and you can just place it on your grill like that and bolt it from the back. Well, I got the grill badge on now. I think it looks pretty cool. Try to get it as straight as I could with the grill. Well guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all liked seeing the wheels on the truck and enjoyed seeing me put the little badge grill on the front end. Hopefully next week I can put another video out. I want to get the truck detailed, and I got a guy that's going to come out and detail it for me, so I'm going to have that coming up. And I have the Los Magnificos car show coming up, so if y'all like lowriders and more exotic wild cars, I'll have that video coming up. So once again, I want to thank everybody who already subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, please check out my other videos, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.